Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got something seriously impressive, a tool that takes your garage skills to the next level. Say hello to the Albott 7,000 pounds portable quick jack lift, a heavy-duty scissor lift that's redefining accessibility for DIY auto work. Click the link below for the best price. From the moment you unbox it, the build quality stands out. Crafted from high-carbon Q235B steel and designed to lift up to 7,000 pounds, that's around 3,200 kg, this lift is ready for cars, light trucks, and SUVs with zero hesitation. And it doesn't just lift, you get up to 28 inches, 71 cm, of clearance, thanks to its sturdy adjustable scissor design and extension panels. One of the standout features is the upgraded spring system that delivers fast retraction, so operating the lift feels smooth and efficient, no awkward mechanical struggle in sight. There are multiple locking levers for extra safety, so once your vehicle's up, you can trust it to stay put while you work under or around it. Despite that raw power, this lift is built for practicality. It folds up neatly, rolls on built-in wheels, and is surprisingly mobile for its size, ideal if you've got limited space or need to move it around the shop. That said, be aware, it's no lightweight. The whole assembly weighs about 400 pounds, around 180 kg, so plan accordingly for storage and placement. User-friendly design means setup is straightforward, but keep in mind, it demands a flat work surface. Any slope over 3 to 4 degrees is unsafe and could compromise performance or safety. And one quirky bit of advice, the lift needs at least 220 pounds of minimum load weight to properly descend, so don't attempt lowering it empty or underweight. What reviewers and buyers really highlight is how this lift turns heavy-duty maintenance into something you can tackle solo. One home mechanic noted that after tightening hydraulic fittings and power connections, it worked straight out of the box and delivered smooth, powerful lifting every time. In terms of pros, it's got massive capacity, robust construction, fast operation, and good safety redundancy. On the flip side, because it's heavy, folding storage is nice but still bulky. And the requirement for flat surfaces and minimum weight to lower means it's not quite as plug-and-play as lighter scissor jacks. So, if you're a serious DIY or home shop owner wanting pro-level support for tasks like oil changes, brake jobs, or suspension work, the Albott 7,000 pounds portable car lift is a standout. It blends high lifting capacity, smart safety design, and practical mobility into one compact yet powerful package. Don't forget to click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching this breakdown, and if you're into tools and gear that make auto care easier, hit that subscribe button. Stay safe and lift smart. I'll catch you next time on the channel.